if you love Allah, if you know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if you see what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does, because طلب الحبيب من الحبيب رضا, a true sign of a lover. And wallahi, it's true. Even young men, when they want to get married to a girl, the question in their head is what? Does she love me? Does she love me? And then the second question, what must I do for her to love me? Right? And this is exactly the question of rida, right? The contentment. To get the contentment, to change, I start by asking the opposite. It's not about my share from Allah. It's not about my pleasure or me. Can I ask the question, what must I do for Allah to be happy with me? What pleases Allah? What if I made a list of everything that pleases Allah and I did all of them? You know what happens? The answer to your question. رَضِيَ اللَّهُ عَنْهُمْ وَرَضُوا عَنْهُ. If Allah is pleased with you, He will make you pleased with Him and all His decrees. So when we ask, I want to be like the people of Gaza, look at how patient, look at how you have such contentment, right? How do I get that? No, ask the question in the opposite way. Work on pleasing Allah. And Allah promises, if you do that, He will please you. Right? And in Sheikh al-Sha'rawi in Egypt, he said something. He said, تَعْبُدُوهُ لِيَعْطِي. You worship Him so that He gives. He said, كَلَّا اعْبُدُوهُ لِيَرْضَى. Worship Him so that He is pleased with you, not because of anything. And he says, فَإِذَا رَضِي أَدْهَشَكُمْ بِالْعَطَاءِ. And if He is happy with you, you will see wonders more than what you asked. He will change your heart. So it starts by that. Don't focus on your share. Focus on doing the right thing. وَمَا لِأَحَدٍ عِنْدَهُ مِنْ نِعْمَةٍ تُجْزَى إِلَّا بِابْتِغَاءِ وَجْهِ رَبِّهِ الْأَعْلَى وَلَسَوْفَ يَرْضَى. The Quran speaks about this man that he gives left and right, and it's hard and it's difficult, and he's doing all this not because of any shit. I just want you to be happy, Ya Rabb. And Allah says, وَلَسَوْفَ يَرْضَى. For this servant, I'll make him happy.
Subhanallah.